Welcome, children, and we begin with chapter 12, that is area related to circle. And generally, in the lower classes, all of you have done what is area of a circle. So, area of a circle is pi r square, and circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. That much all of you have used the formula and solved questions based on both these formulas. This chapter, basically we are going to learn much more than these two formulas. But your initial exercise, that is exercise 12.1, it deals with both these formulas only. That is, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and area of a circle is pi r square. So first exercise is just based on these two formulas, which we already know how to use them. Okay, so let us do some basic sums of exercise 12.1 based on both these formulas. Now, see, the first question which I have over here is the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. That means you are going to talk about two circles. Radius of one circle is 19 and radius of another circle is 9 centimeter. Find the radius of a circle which has the circumference equal to sum of the circumference of both the two circles. That means you are having one circle with radius 19, another with radius 9. आपको दोनों सर्कल का जो circumference है, फर्स्ट सर्कल एंड सेकेंड सर्कल, उन दोनों circumferences को ऐड कर देना है. Adding the two circumference will give you circumference of the new circle, and from the circumference of the new circle you are supposed to calculate radius of the new circle. So this is the question. So now we wrote R1, that is radius of the first circle, is 19 centimeter, and R2, that is radius of the second circle, that is 9 centimeters. Now it is given to me in my question that if I add the circumference of the first circle and the second circle, then I get the circumference of the new circle जिसका मुझे radius find out करना है. So the given term is C1 plus C2 is equal to the circumference of the new circle. Now we know circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. So circumference for the first circle will be 2 pi r1 because it is, I have termed it as C1. Then the second circle I termed it as C2. So circumference of the second circle will be 2 pi r2, and then circumference of the new circle, that is 2 pi, and because I am joining r1 and r2, both the radii, I write the new circle as capital R. Now I remove 2 pi common from both these formulas. So I remove 2 pi outside, and from here R1 remains, from here R2 remains. So in the bracket I have R1 plus R2, and that is equals to 2 pi R. Now 2 pi and 2 pi cancels on both the side, and therefore I get radius of the new circle capital R is equal to R1 plus R2. But I know that value of R1 is 19 and value of R2 is 9. So 19 plus 9 gives me 28, and therefore I have radius of the new circle is 28 centimeters. Now a similar like question again we have, that is in the second question, radius of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. तो दो सर्कल्स है, एक का रेडियस 8 सेंटीमीटर है, दूसरे का रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर है. If radii of the circles having area equal to, if radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of the two circle, then find radius of that circle. तो यहाँ पे R1 I take it as 8 centimeter, R2 I take it as 6 centimeter, and it is given to me that I have to make a new circle, and new circle should be such that area of the new circle is equal to sum of areas of the two circle which are already given. That is, अगर पहले सर्कल का एरिया A1 है, दूसरे सर्कल का एरिया A2 है, तो A1 और A2 दोनों के एरियाज को मुझे ऐड करना है. That will give me, the adding will give me area of the new circle. तो new circle I write radius as capital R, first circle radius as R1 and the second radius as R2. Now we know that formula for area of a circle is pi r square. So for the big circle I write pi capital R square is equal to pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Now from the next two terms over here, pi R1 square and pi R2 square, I remove pi common. So pi cancels on both the sides, and then I put value of R1 and R2. R1 was 8 centimeter, R2 was 6 centimeter. So R1 square plus R2 square, that is 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square is 64 and R2, that is 6 square is 36. So 64 plus 36 gives me 100, and therefore 100 can be written as 10 square, and here I have capital R square. So capital R square is 10 square, and therefore I get R is equal to 10. So the radius of the new circle obtained by adding the areas of the both old circle, the radius of that new circle is 10 centimeters. Now let's go to the next question. Now next question is again related to the same formula. Area of a circle is pi r square, but here we are given so many circles with the same center. Concentric circles I am given. Innermost circle is golden in color. Then outer that we have a circle with red color, and then it is overlapped by a blue colored circle, then black, and then white. So the full circle which I have over here, the innermost circle is golden in color, and I am supposed to calculate area every time. So what area should I calculate? गोल्डन सर्कल का पूरा एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. देन ये जो रेड पाथ है, द स्ट्रिप ओवर हियर, द रेड स्ट्रिप पाथ I have to calculate. Then the blue strip path I have to calculate. Then the black strip path, and then the white strip path I have to calculate. Now the golden path, that is the innermost circle, it is a full circle which is visible to you. Now it is said that this golden region is a circle whose width, diameter, that is diameter of this innermost gold circle is 21. अब diameter अगर 21 है तो रेडियस क्या होगा? रेडियस उसका अपॉन 2 यानी कि आधा होता है ना. तो therefore if diameter is 21, then radius is 21 upon 2 centimeter. Now area of a circle is given by the formula that is pi r square. So we apply the formula over here. Pi we take it as 22 upon 7 and radius I had written 21 upon 2. तो pi r square मतलब r को 2 बार लिखना है, तो 22 upon 7 the value of pi multiply by r into r, that is 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. They cancel the common factor. Then 2 ones are 2 and 2 11s are 22. Both these terms cancel. So I am left out with 11 threes are 33 into 21 and upon एक 2 बचा है मेरे पास. So when I multiply 33 and 21 and divide the answer by 2, I get the answer 346.5, and because it is area and things are given in centimeter, I have to write the area as square units, यानी कि centimeter square or square centimeter. Now comes the turn in the diagram. After the gold circle, this red colored strip I have to find out. Area of this red pathway or red strip which is seen, this I have to find out. So, area of the red circular region. अच्छा, रेड सर्क्यूलर रीजन का एरिया मुझे ढूंढना है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? तो what I will do is I will manage first, that is radius. अब मुझे ये जो सर्कल जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, ये बड़ा सर्कल, गोल्ड सर्कल से बड़ा सर्कल है रेड सर्कल. अच्छा, रेड सर्कल का पहले मुझे रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो व्हाट वुड बी रेडियस ऑफ द रेड सर्क्यूलर रीजन? तो दैट वुड बी radius of the golden circle plus width of the red circle. That is, let us see the diagram over here again. Radius of this gold circle plus the radius of the width over here. तो गोल्ड सर्कल का रेडियस था 21 upon 2 and this width, this much width is given to us as 10.5. तो therefore radius of this red colored circle is 10.5. Why 10.5? 21 upon 2 is 10.5. So radius of the gold circle plus width of that red colored strip. So that is 10.5 plus 10.5 and that gives me 21 centimeters. तो रेडियस ऑफ द रेड कलर सर्कल, लाल कलर का सर्कल, अगर ये हम गोल्डन सर्कल अंदर नहीं होता तो रेड सर्कल पूरा बड़ा होता एंड दैट रेड सर्कल का रेडियस होता 21 सेंटीमीटर. अब रेडियस ऑफ दिस रेड कलर्ड सर्कल मैंने निकाल दिया है. ये जो रेड सर्कल है उसका रेडियस मैंने फाइंड आउट कर लिया है. अब मुझे सिर्फ ये पाथ जो है ना, रेड पाथ, उसका एरिया चाहिए. तो हाउ शुड आई कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ दैट रेड पाथ? दैट वुड बी एरिया ऑफ द फुल रेड सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ द गोल्ड सर्कल. तो एरिया ऑफ द रेड पाथ विल बी पाई इंटू रेडियस ऑफ द रेड पाथ माइनस पाई over there minus pi into radius of the golden circle. So this is how I can do, or I have already calculated over here area of the golden circle was 346. So I can directly write that value also for the area of the gold circle. So pi into 21 is the radius of the red region. So 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21, 7 ones are 7 threes are, and therefore I have that value 22 into 3 into 21, that gives me 1386 minus 346 is the area of the gold circle. तो पूरे रेड सर्कल में से गोल्ड सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करेंगे तो आई विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द रेड कलर्ड स्ट्रिप or the red colored pathway, and that will come out as 1386 minus 346.5, which comes out as 1039.5, and it is area, so it will be written in centimeter square. Now, same diagram, I have to calculate area of the blue pathway. ये जो pathway है, ये ब्लू कलर के pathway का एरिया मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. तो ब्लू कलर के pathway के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले हमें ब्लू कलर के सर्कल का रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा, एंड उसके बाद ब्लू कलर के एरिया में से, ब्लू सर्कल के एरिया में से रेड सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करना पड़ेगा. दैट विल गिव मी द ब्लू कलर्ड पाथवे. तो ब्लू सर्कल का रेडियस कैसे मिलेगा? गोल्ड का रेडियस प्लस 10.5. ये हर एक पाथवे का विड्थ है 10.5. तो गोल्डन का रेडियस है 10.5 प्लस ये वाला पाथवे 10.5 प्लस ये वाला पाथवे 10.5. तो 10.5 प्लस 10.5 प्लस 10.5. तो दैट विल गिव मी रेडियस ऑफ द ब्लू कलर्ड रीजन. सो नाउ I first say radius of the blue region. तो area of the blue colored region with radius कैसा है? 10.5 plus 10.5 21, and 21 plus 10.5 that is 31.5. तो 31.5 is the radius of the blue circle. तो radius of the blue circle मुझे मिल गया. अब I want to find out radius of the blue colored strip or the blue colored pathway. तो radius of the blue pathway अगर मुझे ढूंढना है तो that will be area of blue circle minus area of the inside red circle. तो blue circle का एरिया होगा पाई आर स्क्वायर, यानी कि पाई इंटू 31.5 का स्क्वायर, minus area of the red circle will be pi into radius of the red circle. Radius of the red circle was 21 and therefore 21 का square. Now pi is common in both of them. So I remove pi common and I have in the bracket 31.5 का whole square minus 21 का whole square. So it is of the category a squared minus b squared, which I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. That is 31.5 plus 21 and 31.5 minus 21, and into pi outside the value would be 22 upon 7. Now 31.5 plus 21 gives me 52.5 and 31.5 minus 21 gives me 10.5. So that is, now 7 cancels with this 10.5, that is 1.5, and then 22 into 52.5 into 1.5, all the things you multiply and that gives me 1732.5 centimeter square. So this gives me area of the blue strip or the blue colored region. अभी blue region के बाहर वाला region है black region. तो now I want to find area of the black strip or the black colored pathway. तो black pathway का radius कितना होगा? तो that will be, according to your diagram, you will have 10.5 10.5 चार बार, तो that is 42 it will give. तो एरिया ऑफ द ब्लैक सर्कल यानी कि पाई इंटू 42 स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ द ब्लू सर्कल इनसाइड इट. ब्लू सर्कल का रेडियस वॉज 31.5. पाई इज कॉमन, तो आई टेक पाई आउटसाइड कॉमन, 22 अपॉन 7, एंड देन इट इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. तो ए प्लस बी एंड ए माइनस बी. तो 42 plus 31.5 and 42 minus 31.5, and therefore I have 22 upon 7. Adding 42 and 31 gives 73.5, and 42 minus 31.5 gives me 10.5. 7 cancels with 10.5 and I get over here as 1.5. Now 1.5 into 22 into 73.5 gives me 2425.5 after multiplication, so many centimeter square. Now comes the turn of the white colored region, that is the white strip or the white pathway, that will be area of the full white circle minus area of the black circle inside it. Now radius of the white circle will be, previous circle का radius 42 था, तो 42 को 10.5 ऐड कर देने का, तो that will become 52.5 and minus area of the black circle, that is the previous circle was 42, तो pi I remove out common and a square minus b square, तो a plus b and a minus b, so that gives me 52.5 plus 42 and 52.5 minus 42. Now addition of this gives me 94.5 and subtraction gives me 10.5. I know that 7 ones are and 7 1.5s are, that will cancel. 1.5 into 22 into 94.5, multiplication of all three gives me 3118.5 centimeter square. So this is how we calculated area of each and every colored strip. Now we go to the next question, and the next question says the wheels of a car are of diameter 80. So diameter of the wheel of the car is 80 centimeter, and how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes? तो 10 मिनट में कार का जो पहिया है वो कितने रेवोल्यूशंस कंप्लीट कर लेगा, दैट यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट. एंड स्पीड ऑफ द कार is given as 66 kilometer per hour. 66 kilometer per hour. So let us begin with that. So speed of the car, it is given, the speed of the car is 66 kilometer per hour. Now I know that speed is distance upon time, and if you want to calculate distance, you will do what? You will multiply time and speed. So time into speed will give me the distance. So distance is time into speed. टाइम कितना लेना है मुझे? 10 मिनट्स का टाइम लेना है. एंड स्पीड कितना है? 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो स्पीड में जो यूनिट है दैट इज 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो 66 है किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो ये आवर का टाइम है. और यहाँ मुझे जो 10 दिया है दैट इज इन मिनट्स. तो फर्स्ट आई कन्वर्ट दैट मिनट इनटू आवर. सो 10 मिनट्स को इफ आई डिवाइड बाय 60, तो that will be converted into hour. So therefore 10 upon 60 is now the time in hour, and multiplied by 66 is speed, which is in kilometer per hour. Now 0 and 0 cancels, 6 ones are and 6 11s are 66. So answer I get it as 11 kilometers. तो 10 मिनट के अंदर the car will travel 11 किलोमीटर्स. अच्छा, ये 11 किलोमीटर्स है. नाउ आई कन्वर्ट 11 किलोमीटर्स इनटू मीटर. तो आई मल्टीप्लाई 11 बाय 1000 and therefore it gives me 11 and 3 zeros, so many meters. This is distance covered by the car बोलो या all four wheels are moving together, no children? So area covered by, the distance covered by one wheel और डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द फुल कार, जो भी आप बोलो, दैट इज 11 kilometers, which is 11,000 meters. It is converted into meter. Now they have given us diameter of the wheel is 80 centimeters. ये किलोमीटर को हमने मीटर में चेंज ही इसलिए किया है because they had given it in kilometers and diameter of the wheel they have given it in centimeters. So what we shall first do is the diameter was 80 centimeters. So first we calculate radius of the wheel. Radius will be diameter upon 2, यानी कि 80 upon 2, that is 40 centimeter. तो radius is 40 centimeter for the wheel. अब ये जो distance traveled है वो मीटर में है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो रेडियस है उसे भी हम मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. तो रेडियस ऑफ द व्हील इज, इट वाज 40 सेंटीमीटर अपॉन 100, उसको डिवाइड बाय 100 करो तो दैट विल गिव यू इन मीटर्स. तो 40 अपॉन 100 मीन्स 0.4 मीटर. नाउ डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द व्हील इन 1 रेवोल्यूशन, एक बार गोल घूमेगा तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी इक्वल टू circumference ऑफ द व्हील. व्हील इज अ राउंड सर्कल, नो? सो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड इन 1 full revolution will be equal to circumference of the wheel. And what is formula for circumference of a wheel, which is a circle? That is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7, 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 0.4. Now over here 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 0.4 is 17.6 and upon 7 meters. So 17.6 upon 7 meters. Now this is the distance covered in 1 revolution. Distance traveled in 1 revolution. Now हमें नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस ढूंढना है. तो नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस मेड इन 11,000 मीटर्स, यानी कि एक बार अगर 1 रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट होगा तो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड इज 17.6 अपॉन 7 एंड टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड इज 11,000 मीटर्स. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस को वी विल डिवाइड बाय डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड इन 1 रेवोल्यूशन. So the total distance, that is 11,000 upon distance traveled in 1 revolution, that is 17.6 upon 7. The upon 7 goes to the numerator and we multiply numerator denominator by 10. So this becomes 176 and that is 70, and then we simplify, cut out the common factors, and that gives 4376. So this will be the number of revolutions. So how did we get the number of revolutions? Number of revolution is total distance divided by distance traveled in 1 revolution. What is it? The total distance divided by distance traveled in 1 revolution. That gives me the number of revolution, which is 4,376. Now let's come to the last question of this exercise, that is question 5. Question 5 is an MCQ question. The perimeter and area are numerically equal for some circle. तो किसी एक सर्कल के लिए पेरीमीटर, पेरीमीटर का मतलब होता है सर्कमफरेंस. तो पेरीमीटर इज एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू द रेडियस ऑफ द, सॉरी, पेरीमीटर इज एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, यानी कि सर्कमफरेंस इज इक्वल टू द एरिया. तो सर्कमफरेंस की फॉर्मूला है 2 पाई आर एंड एरिया की फॉर्मूला है पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई पाई कैंसल्स ऑन बोथ द साइड, एक एक आर कट जाएगा दोनों बाजू, तो r is equal to 2. So the question was, if perimeter and area are equal, then radius is equal to dash. So you got the answer r is equal to 2, and here we have four options, that is 2, pi, 4 and 7. So the first option is 2, which is the correct answer, and therefore we say that correct option is A, which is 2 units. But with this you end up with your today's exercise. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you children.